Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Foxy the CEO. How do you guys do? So happy to have you guys on my channel. Just like the title says, how to get an even toned skin. Okay. So I'm going to give you body care routine for all skin types. Okay. Things you would use to have that evened out body color, beautiful body color that you've been looking for. If you have a sensitive skin, be on this video. Watch to the end. Okay. So guys, the two body lotions I'll be talking about is the Amlactin body lotion. Yes, I'll be talking about Amlactin and I'll be talking about Olay. Okay. So um these are the creams I have. Yes, this is the Olay I'm talking about. These two creams, they look alike, but they are different ingredients, or what I say, they work differently. Like this, the one I'm having on this side says revitalizing. Okay, so this was the first one I started using. This was the one I got introduced to, and it's wowed me. I was so off. If there is a word for that, like I was so interested. Did I started using this, like 1 week into the cream, I was loving my color. I was loving my body. Apart from the color, so the my body was enjoying it. You could know when you can know when your body is enjoying a cream, like your body even loves it. Like you look at your skin, I'm like, wow. So my skin can look like this. It's giving rich skin, well nourished skin. Get so this was the first one I started using, and it was so beautiful. I can attest to this. Even when I'm sleeping, wake me up. I will talk about Olay. It's so nice. And then this one finished and went out of stock. I couldn't find this one from the vendor I used to buy my skincare from. So, but she had this one, brightening. This one is the brightening body lotion. So I started using this one. This is the second container I'm using. This one is filled up. I just got it a few days ago. So I started using this one and it's still giving me the same result. So this is the one I'm currently using because this one went out of stock. I'm still looking for this. If I see it, I'll still buy it. This revitalizing. But I'm currently using this brightening. This Olay cream is very beautiful. I don't know. Nobody should tell you otherwise. There is no cons. There's no in there is a pro and cons. There is no cons. There's no vices. The cream is just beautiful. It's just so wonderful. Before using this cream, I used to use Medix 5.5. You guys know on this channel, I used to talk about Medix 5.5. So I used Medix 5 for like, I've used like 3 containers, but just one of these, I was wild. Just one of Olay. I'm like, hey, it dey work, it dey show. So guys, if you're looking for that even tone, then you should be looking for this cream. And second cream you should be looking for is Amlactin. Amlactin should be like 45 now. Yes, I don't have the container here, but I'll put on the screen. It's 45. Then this one is just 24,000 naira. But then the both of them work the same thing. The ingredients in this one, let me read out the ingredients for you. It has Olay. Olay has dimethicone. Dimethicone is an emollient. Okay, so what an emollient does is that it moisturizes your skin and it locks in moisture, softens and soothes skin while locking in moisture, while sealing in moisture. I was like, excellent, perfect. Okay, the next ingredient is glycerin, and we know glycerin is very good in all body lotion. It's there, and it also does its work. Contains glycerin and aqua, which is water, and then cetyl alcohol. These are the major ingredients in this Olay. And glycerin also draws moisture from the air and uses to hydrate the skin. Glycerin in almost all the creams. So glycerin draws moisture from the air and locks it in your skin, just as this dimethicone is also locking in moisture. Glycerin is helping it to work the work. And it contains aqua and cetyl alcohol, and also ingredients in Amlactin is just the same thing. There's still dimethicone, there's still glycerin, there's still aqua, water, and but then the difference is that um Amlactin contains ammonium lactate, why Olay doesn't have ammonium lactate. That's just the difference between the both creams, but then the both creams are wonderful. these two creams I told you about now, they are so perfect, and I would love you to try it out. There's no vice. Oh, it's going to do this, it's going to do that one. It's not doing anything. It is perfect. Do you get me? It gives you a rejuvenating hydration and skin improvement. Ah, you see that your stretch mark that is showing like person scratch you, whatever it is that scratch you, it will fade it out. You, in the process of evening out your color, it will fade it out. It will not, it will even be almost invisible. Do you get me? Do you feel me? Okay. So it also help your skin peeling. It will reduce it. It will stop it. It will make your skin more softer. That your hard skin, it will make it softer. Like there are a lot of benefits that this cream gives to you. I'm not bluffing. I'm not capping. Okay. Use this cream and you're going to love it. Okay. If you've used this cream before, you can drop a comment so people would see it. So not be like it's only me that is talking about this cream. This cream is perfect, it's wonderful, and the price is not so much. 24,000. I don't know how much is in your own side, but 24,000 is not so much compared to what is giving the work. At least you're not afraid of any bleaching is going to do this one, bleaching is going to do that one. You are just safe with this one. Do you get? So guys, the next I want to be talking about is my this Dove. Okay, so Dove is a very perfect one for you. You can try Dove while using this. Dove is soft, it's not harsh, it doesn't have harsh ingredients in it. It will just soften your body and give you that baby girl feminine kind of glow. And when you come out, they know it's a lady, it's not a man, you're not a man. You get nothing is tough there, everything is soft like a bread, very very soft. So this Dove would moisturize. It also acts as a moisturizing cream here. They wrote it here, and this the one I'm using. This is the coconut milk jasmine. You can use any one. You can use any Dove, so long as it's Dove. Dove is a nice product. I also use it for my face wash. That's what I use on my face, and it's perfect. And I can attest for it. For you, you should have it. So the next thing I want to talk about is that you can't be using all this cream. You're not using sunscreen. Hello, what's going on? Okay, so you need a sunscreen. I'm sure everybody owns a sunscreen. If you don't, please try and get. Okay, save your money to get. So I have been using sunscreen, the one I'm going to be talking about because I love it. Nothing anybody wants to tell me about it. Okay, so when I was using some brands like Neutrogena, not only me, I know a lot of people that complained about it stinging to the eye. It was stinging like when you apply it on your face, your eye will start pinning you, start getting so uncomfortable. That's one. Another sunscreen give you white cast. This one melts the skin. It's like the person that formulated this thing just carry Africans in mind for our color. Like when you use it on your face, it's gone, is mixing with your face. There's no, oh, you apply sunscreen, oh, what's that white thing on your face? Oh wait, you no 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 no. When you're using this aqua, I got it for 15,000 naira. I don't know. I think no, sorry, I got it for 18. I don't know if it has increased, but it's perfect. It's perfect. You need it. You need it. You need it. You need it. I don't joke with this. Agota also, because I know I was having issue with sunscreen, and sunscreen is too expensive to be doing trial error. You buy sunscreen expensive and you know it's not fitting you, it's uncomfortable. You apply it, you are sweating like goat. You apply it, everywhere is white. People ask, what do you apply? Yeah, hey, let me clean here for you. Here is white. What's that? You get, and you can't be spending your money for you to be doing trial error, for you to be uncomfortable. So that's why I'm giving this one. This one. Perfect. So this one is perfect for you. I love it so much. I would recommend, and you would love it too. Yeah, I love it. So the next I want to be talking about is serum, face serum. So these are the face serums that I can attest to. So you can get any of them. If you're Dr. Rasha baby, keep up with it. If you a Medix vitamin C serum, you can get it. This one is for your dark spots. It's very affordable. I think I got it for 2,000 naira. Like I went to this my beauty store and I saw a lady, her face was so beautiful. And I'm like, wow, what do you use on your face? And she said, oh, I just use this, you know. And fox is gonna bring it. It's gonna bite. So I can tell you guys now if it's working and it's not working. So this is it. It's light up. It's just 2,000 naira, but and it works. Just use it at night. Don't use it in the daytime. If you want to use it in the daytime, then you have to use your sunscreen. If you don't have sunscreen, apply it in the night and sleep. You wake up in the morning, it has done everything it wants to do for you on your face. So it's the road there is dark spot correcting serum. Okay, so the next I'll be talking about is my body scrub. You need a body scrub. If you are using any one, perfect, you can keep on using a body scrub. Okay, so the one I use is this is a body scrub. It's not so harsh. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not so harsh. Okay, this is what I use to scrub my body, and I love it so much. If you can get your hand on this, you should. If you cannot, you can use the one you're using. Still perfect, still fine. So guys, this is it. This is all you need and all we should have. Okay, so that is it. See you guys in my next video. I'll still keep you guys updated if there's any new thing. Keep you guys updated. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your post notification, drop a comment, and see you in my next video. Bye. Then faded, but I rock it like a baby in the cold. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from. You can't buy